Welcome to another episode in Canada. I'm here at the Confluence historic site in Parkland. This is the bronze bison sculpture, and I can tell you, this is one huge sculpture. Very impressive. Let's proceed to the central side. This is the Colonel MacLeod statue, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Where I stopped to take some pictures, of course. And then I continued to visit the outer quarters of this beautiful looking mansion. Since it was closed, I was very happy that they posted historical facts on the outside. This is really convenient if the museum is closed and you still want to visit it, although visiting the inside would give you much more information. However, this was fine for me. I also like the fact that it's very clean. After spending some more time around the site, I decided to call it a day and close the chapter up here, folks. Have a good one. Talk to you in the next one. Goodbye.